Question number 6 is on 45, 45, 90 right triangles. That's the same thing as the right isosceles triangle idea. If it's a right isosceles, isosceles means two sides have to be the same measure, has a right angle. That forces the other two angles to be 45, because isosceles also means two angles are the same measure. So you have a 45, 45, 90, and it tells us that the hypotenuse is 14 inches. From our work at these before, we know that the ratios of all 45, 45, 90s are 1, 1 square root of 2. So I've got a 1 to 1 to square root of 2, where I know the hypotenuse is always the square root of 2 times longer than the legs. So if I know the leg is, or the hypotenuse is, square root of 14, if I know the hypotenuse is 14 and I want to find the leg, we want to divide it by square root of 2. So the legs are always shorter, so this leg is going to be whatever 14 divided by the square root of 2 is. And now it's a matter of simplifying radicals. What you got to remember is, and what I'm telling you here, no perfect squares left under the radical and no radicals left in the denominator. Well, the square root of 2 is known as a radical. We can't leave it in the denominator, so we multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by the square root of 2 to help get rid of that radical denominator. So on the top, we're going to have 14 times the square root of 2. And on the bottom, we're going to have the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, which can be thought of as the square root of 4. But the square root of 4 is a perfect square factor, and that is just a 2. So the square root of 4 is a 2. So it's 14 divided by 14 square root of 2 divided by 2. And now the 2's, well, this 2 and 14 have a common factor. Well, 2 will go into 14 7 times, so it is 7 times the square root of 2. So this leg and the other leg are 7 square root of 2.